Good morning, guys. What's up, Abu Adam? Good morning. What's up, Mitchell? How you doing, buddy? Debbie, good morning. What's up, Ad Dude? Yo. What's up, Night Owl? Good morning. Let's keep on looking. From what I see, it's been a pretty good morning. Pretty good pre-market so far, huh? This one's surprising. Blew up out of nowhere. This one's picking up here. What was it? KPRX. See any news? I don't see any news, but it's doing some good volume right now. Its average is 47,000. It's already done almost a million in volume. Float's only 3.81. Ah, man. Allergies or something today. All right, Debbie says AIXI. Yeah, AIXI was a watch list stock and it exploded beautifully. Whoops, wrong button. You have a gap on KPRX at 280. Jesus Christ, Jared. Oh my God. My finger keeps putting the wrong button. All right, so 280, you have a gap. Right here. There we go. We'll just use the mouse. It seems to be a little bit better. All right, so it's at 140, so you can possibly get 40 cents there. It already tapped the gap, as you can see, 280. Uh, Mitchell, that's because the watch is fire. Thanks, Mitchell. Thanks for the hearts, me, and the puff. Appreciate it. Man, you guys, hopefully you guys had a good day yesterday. I got my ass kicked. Got my ass kicked, but hey, that's what happens when you break rules. Break rules, you get smacked. SILO, there you go. SILO is moving. There's something there. 13 million float. It's already done 27 million in trading. It's at 60 cents. Let's entertain it. Let's see where it goes. Looks like I've got previous marks up there. Do, 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 do. 77, 74, 66. Sorry, 62. Man, this one spikes and dumps pretty hard. So be careful with SILO. Thank you, Cree. What's up, Lolo? Look at that, just folded back down on KPRX. That's why I didn't get in. I said, nope, I'm not gonna do it. You ain't faking me out. No way. Gotta look for that news. There's got to be a reason the stock's moving. Good news or bad news. If it's got bad news, I mean, shit happens anyway. On SILO, I mean, it's tough to say because it's just it pumps and dumps, and it's done it so many times. That's why I'm not playing with it right now. That's why I didn't put a target. Get back over. Get back over that volume weighted average price. ADVB. Yep, ADVB. Good job. The ADVB hit 910 today. It's pretty awesome. Missed my target just by a little bit there. Are my comments showing? What's up, 2 down? That one did. Are my comments showing? Showed. I don't see any others. And I'm looking for everything right now. Now, I know I shouldn't be, but I'm in revenge mode after yesterday. It's a horrible place to be. You don't want to be there. And I'm fighting every urge in my body, which is really hard for me because I'm very spontaneous. What's up, Scotty? In the little square. Dude, your comments are coming through. I don't know. Do I need to type it? Are you not hearing me? 2 down? Yes. I see your comments at 2 down. D. 2 down D. I don't know how to do the at thing, I guess. Okay. All right, let's focus. Let's focus here. Don't see nothing there. I just don't believe this SILO thing. I don't believe it. Yeah, I don't know. I don't believe SILO. Be careful with her. She's crazy crazy woman. These are previous targets, but that's only if like she goes berserk, and she's not going berserk yet. She's picking up volume. What was her news? Higher by around 25% here. Oh yeah, that's bullshit news. There's no news. Let's see. 14 hours ago. Okay, so there's some news. Silo Pharma receives European patent allowed for licensed novel PTSD prevention therapy. Okay, let's fucking go. The stock you were showing font shows on your. Oh, there you go. Hey, thanks, man. Now I see what you're saying. We going to crush this market today? Yes, we are. I sure hope so. I gotta have that feeling in my heart. After yesterday, my heart says, crush away. Crush, crush away. Curious what happens with gas, guys. Curious what happens with gas here today or after today. I don't know. I'm so chicken to jump into this one. I just don't know. See, it's at one of its little resistances here. As you can see, it just goes all along the straight of our moves right here. It just goes right along the straight. 65 cents is resistance. It broke through it. Now it's hitting another resistance, which is up here, which isn't like that far away. So this is like a zone. This is an area of resistance, right? Area of resistance 65.71. That's 6 cents. That's an area of resistance. It's been stuck there several times. And look, it can't break 71 until it does a little bit and then pumps back down. Same here. Pump, pump, pump it up. You guys see that? Yeah. Ad dude says Sky Q. Not sure why. Sky Q's not doing much at the moment. It's only done 670,000 shares. Ad dude. Andy. Here comes the sun. Look at that. I made it on time today. How awesome is that? And a good song comes on. Oh. And holding sideways. Yes, it is, Andy. Yes, it is. Zoom out on Sky for the past several days. Yeah. Yep. Do you know how I know this is because Sky Q was on a watch list. There she is. SkyQ was on yesterday's watch list. Yep. The entry on yesterday's watch list was about 480 to 510. That was the entry area, the zone. Yep. And as you guys can see what it did yesterday. Yep. Did pretty good, I'd say. 640 tree. Oh yeah. Cree, what's up, Cree? How are ya? All right, AIXI is going for another little run. Beast. I was so mad I didn't have any funds to be able to play this yesterday. Dude, send me some sun. I've been trying to send you some sun for a long time, Cree. For some reason, your hemisphere is very um, non-accepting of my gesture to send sun that direction. All right, guys, let's get those likes going. Let's get some action going. We need some action. Action would be good. Ooh, look at that. Cree got one. Cree got one. I'm looking. I'm literally just opening up another scanner because I don't see anything moving. But it's been a different Tuesday, has it not? It's been a different kind of Tuesday. Things actually doing stuff, which is interesting. Did you end up negative yesterday? Dude, yeah, I got my ass handed to me yesterday. I lost $305. I had a really rough day yesterday. And it's only because I didn't follow my rule. And it's the same rule that got me in trouble the other day. FCUV. Yeah, that offering fucked me. That offering fucked me a lot. And it's because I didn't follow my rule. Yep. Yeah, it really sucked. Thanks, buddy. Appreciate that ad, dude. That really sucks, Jay. Yeah, it does. Hey, you don't follow rules, you need to get spanked. I believe in spanking, and why should my butt be any different, right? My butt deserves a good spanking. Uh, now, ladies, calm down. Okay, calm down. I'm just kidding. QNCX, kind of waking up. Here's QNCX. See if it wants to get back to volume weighted average price and go for a little run. Slap that ass. I'm pissed I didn't swing like I usually do. Oh, man, it's okay. It's all right. I was going to change your name to Swing Sometimes. What's up, Risky? Yeah, FCUV had a offering of 4 million. It was at the market, but it said it was at $3.80 something cents. It's like, okay. And it literally dropped the stock from like I think it was $6.50 down to like 570 and then down under $5. It was like, what the fuck? Come on. Yeah, it was a rough one for me. And my son had just come into the room and he was like, "Hey dad, what are you doing?" I'm like, "Oh, I was thinking of hopping on a live." I'm watching this one here. And then I'm like, "Oh." He's like, "Dad, did that really just happen?" I'm like, "Yeah, it really did." He goes, "Jeez, that was fast." I go, "Yep, they do that sometimes." But that's what you get. You fuck around, you find out, son. Do 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 do. Thanks, guys. Thanks for hitting that like, that follow, and that share. Appreciate it. Yeah, it was over $8 for a bit. Yes, it was, Andy. It's okay. You're gonna have good days. You're gonna have bad days. You're gonna have bad days, multiple bad days in a row. You're gonna have multiple good days in a row. You're gonna be on cloud nine. Sometimes you'll be on cloud 10, and then all of a sudden, it's like God just says, "Hey, let it rain," and you go down with the rain. You know? Yep, happens that fast. Yeah, the fun part is my kid coming in every morning. He goes, "Dad, did you make money?" I go, "Brody, it's a long day." And no. Yeah. All right, there's SILO. Let's see if it can break through the 71. Again, be very cautious with this stupid thing. It messes with people. All right, let's see. Is it gonna do it? Is it gonna do a cup and a handle, or is it gonna come all the way back down to the red line and trade between red and yellow? Could this be a cup and handle? Is it doing a weird looking inverted head and shoulder pattern-ish? What is it doing? And then also sometimes like 1 week you're on, 1 week you're off, and that's why these small positions, they help save your account. Sure, do you get pissed off because hey, you thought, oh, I'm gonna jump all in on the stock and the damn thing goes 1,000%. Yeah, you're gonna have days like that. But the name of the game is to preserve your account and catch those runners when you can. Not every one of them is going to be a runner, and not every one of them is gonna work out the way that the chart says it's going to work out. Recently, it's been some fuckery, lots of fuckery. Yep. So basically, what the way that I've been playing is I've been doing like $100 a stock. Damn, I thought all penny stocks were going above 5 today. They are, every single one of them. That is not financial advice. That is entertainment only. No fucking crypto. No copy trading bullshit. None of that. Oh, I love this song. I know. You guys can call me names if you want, but it's okay. I'm too shallow to give a fuck. Come on, man. It is so slow right now. Yeah, I might give this a whirl just for fun. I did this, and this isn't working out. I thought it was gonna do a little cup and handle thing, and I thought it was gonna just because it got back over volume weighted average price. Looked like it wanted to go for a run, but it looked like it wanted to take the escalator down, which it's doing. That's an escalator. It started here. It was kind of a quick drop, and then yeah, whatever, whatever. I mean, you guys see the big old cup, right? There's a big old cup. I thought it was going to turn around. It had not. It did not want to. Damn it, Mitchell. I thought all penny stocks were gonna go to $5 and above. Okay. Nothing. Every scanner on and KPRX, I guess, maybe. Maybe we can take a look at KPRX again. Ooh, KPRX. I think I had it up here already. There it is. Let's see. KPRX starting to turn around. Let's see. 240. Technically, if it can break that 246, KPRX can probably get 273, 280, maybe a new high. All right, I'm gonna leave this one alone. I'm gonna let it just kind of do its thing, and I'll put KPRX over here. Let's take a look again. Remember that gap at 280. It's back to volume weighted average price. I'm gonna go ahead and play around again. Do because it's $2 stock. We're trying to stay around $100. It looks like it wants to flip the MACD. It's back at volume weighted average price. I think I'm going to do it. And there you go. I did it. I bought 50 shares. Nothing crazy. Let's see what happens. Am I jinxy today or what am I? I could be jinxy today. Let's see what happens. Am I jinxy or am I the fireball that needs to be today? One of two things will happen. I'll either make a lot of money or I'll make no money. All right, so let's see. SILO can break that 71.98. So it didn't want to go. It didn't want to break through. It didn't want to cross that. That MACD did not want to cross. That gap is there. It's only tapped once and then came back down. Looked like it was curling around nicely. Not yet, it looks like. PSTV. Sometimes you get stuck in a rut too. That rut, man. I just seem to put myself there, especially after a day like yesterday. Then I'm like, fuck this. I try to follow rules and I still break them. Welcome to trading. Right, Mitchell? Welcome to trading. How many times have you broken your rules and went, fuck, why did I break my rule? Damn it, Jay, come on. See, maybe VMAR. Maybe VMAR will start to move a little bit. This is PSTV here. So it needs to break that little line there. That little line. So it's about 10 cents or 14 cents away now from that line. Where can PSTV go? Oh, I did this last time. I don't know why this song keeps popping up in my playlist. I'm just not into it. I'm not into it right now at all. I don't know why. Come on, man. Let's go. Come on, wake up, Jay. You guys talk to yourselves? There we go. There's a gap at 445. There's your Gapsy. PSTV. There's a bigger one at 470. A bigger Yap. As you can see, it's right at resistance to get up to that 384. Let's see, can it break through? It's on resistance right there. You see it right here? Rockin' me, baby. Yep, that's why it's having such a hard time right there, because that's its like resistance. Keep on rocking me, baby. Wee 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 woo. Come on, wakey wakey. GNLN? Oh, good God, look at that drop down. Tommy. Great minds think alike. Tommy Gunn, GNLN. Rockin' me, baby. You know, it's funny. So, you know how I say you got to follow the rules, follow the rules, follow the rules. Well, you know, if people they can't accept responsibility for their actions. So you guys know I never tell you, hey, buy this, buy that, get into this, get into that, do this, do that. I don't tell you that. But people make the wrong decision, or they'll follow rules up to a point and then they'll break them because greed will set in. And then they'll get mad at me because they can't accept the responsibility that they pushed that fucking button. Not me. Yeah, I had yesterday I had somebody reach out and it was kind of like, dude, I didn't do you frickin' do you send me love messages when you make a shit ton of money? No, you don't. So the fact that you broke your rules, how am I involved? Anyways, the person was pretty angry, and I was like, I'm sorry, man. It's not my fault. You're the one that pushed that button. Accept the responsibility. I did, or take the responsibility. I'm taking responsibility for my actions. Told you guys I'd not feel comfortable about SILO. There's SILO doing its thing. It breaks volume weighted average price. It can really find the bottom there. What is Brent at today? Let's see. I did not look at that at all. Ah, 110. Okay. It's not crazy. Not really. We saw it at 118 the other day, like a week or two ago. Vision Red Textiles initial fantail 217 electric boats to Kiwina Water Resort. Okay, that's fine. Let's see. We gotta find something else, guys. We gotta find something else. HCAI still blasting off. This thing took another run here. This is a good pattern. This is a good pattern here. 14-cent stock up to 41 cents. 44 on the screen. Do 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 do. Was hoping it would keep flagging for the open LOL. Yes. Sorry, PFSA. Oment. I've seen gas prices in Cali hit $8. Not personally. My brother lives out in Placentia. I'm waiting for this to break. I'm waiting for it to break out of this 43-cent thing on HCAI. Could HCAI be another AIXI? Sure. They could all be an AIXI. SILO could be an AIXI, but you just gotta 375 here. Oh man, lucky. Yeah, mine yesterday to fill up my Gladiator was $100, $100 of the low price shit, the 87. $8 in the middle of nowhere. Yeah. Oh man, I'm curious. Ah, here we go. Come on, KPRX. Let's go put some foot up in that ass. Slap it. And they're diluting the diesel, the gas and diesel with ethanol. Yeah. Yeah, I drive about 30 minutes every morning to my uncle's house and then 30 minutes back. So I feel your pain, bro. I feel your pain. Come on, KPRX. Let's go. Be my dog and break through that shit and hit that gap. Smack that gap. I know you want to hit that. I know you want to hit that. Hit that. How many do I have? 50 shares of that? Okay, 50. I'm just gonna go for broke on this one. Okay, so because it's 280 and it's already tapped 280, I would say probably let's just take that down at about 275. Let's see if it can get back up there and get scared of that gap. It might. KPRX. Oh yeah. But see, most people when revenge trading, they would literally sit there and say, "Fuck it, I'm gonna dump like half my account in that." You know, look at this, it's working out. Look at this, it's working out. Come on, baby, get up there, get that, get that gappy. It's got another little spot right here. This little area just needs to break through that. If it can't, she coming back down. We want to fill that gap. Fill it like a jelly donut, baby. Fill it. Just gap it. That should be Nike's new logo. Just gap it. Oh. You know, I am digging the lighting now. Like that, this is just the right amount of light on one side of my face to kind of give it a little bit of shadow, which is kind of cool. Come on, get up, get up. No, you don't want to. Don't be lazy. Don't be lazy. You know we want to hit that button. I do like the green on KPRX. Let's see if it can continue to roll that volume in there. Come on, there you go. Be a good girl. Be a good girl. Come on. We got like we got 15 more cents. Just gap it. Come on, come on, come on. KPRX. Alerted here live with Jrockstocks. Oh, come on. Don't break down. Don't do it. That RDGT, that one's a tricky little beast too. Very, very, very cheap stock. I'd say very well priced, but that's not well priced. RDDT, RDGT. You took some off. Good job, Tommy Gunn. Good job. Good job. Let's see cup and handle work out here. That would be fantastic. With just one little pullback like that. That would be wonderful. Come on, baby. You can do it. You know you want to hit that gap. Don't be a punk. Come on, come on, come on. Do 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 do. Sky Q approaching that 580. Looking for adventure and whatever comes my way. Is fill the gap too dirty? Like, is that just too dirty? Cree, thank you for the rose. Appreciate you. Because I was gonna say fill the gap like a jelly donut. That sounds dirty, doesn't it? It's a little dirty. And then maybe put like a purple line. Purple line, Jrockstocks underneath it. People would understand that, right? Born to be wild. Come on, man. Let's go. We're waiting. We're waiting. This is a cup and handle pattern here. Just got to break that and you're going to get that. Here we go. Let's go. Come on. Get off your butts and start moving. Oh, you know you want it. You know you want it dirty. Ah, dirty. Oh, don't do me that way. No, no, no. There's a lot of stuff moving today. It's just it's kind of a little fuzzy. It's like it had a good night last night and it woke up today with a little bit of headache, a little bit of, congestion. All right. Come on, bounce off that volume weighted average price and go for the rest. Exploding the spill. Don't break volume weighted average price. There we go. HCAI is trying that 44 cents again. Man, come on, KPRX. Tell me you're better than that. It's a boiled noodle right now. Blue line? No, not blue line. No, no, no. Purple line, because that's the gap usually. What's up on my mama? There we go. HCAI just broke that hold at 44 cents. Broke through. Let's see if it's gonna do because this look at this, guys. Cup and handle. A little bit of a there on that handle part. Let's see what a 5 minute looks like on there. See, 5 minute looks pretty. Let's see what a 5 minute looks like on here. Maybe a double bottom. It's a mug. Sky Q's running hard. It is. It's up about $1. Dollar 20 cents from last time we visited it. Sky Q. That's not it. There it is. And there it is. Look at that. It hit 672. Nice. $707. 707, 715. It keeps on going. Oh, clear skies. That's right. That's right. Street. Yep. This is a oil play, guys. It's Nevada oil play. That's what it is. So as gas keeps shooting up, that's what's going to happen. Out in the street. Now, what kind of a person would I be not investing in my own area, right? So we'll do 140 on that one. So we'll do $20 or 20 shares, sorry. Bleh. And we're just going to jump in because it should pull back. Technically, it should pull back to the purple line, so I should have actually gone down, and it just bought me in. It just bought me in. So 20 shares, not that much, but as gas keeps going up, oil issues keep happening, this should go up more. Where do I think this thing can go up? It's already at 40%. What do we see here? Sorry, just a quick little answer here. All right. Well, look at KPRX coming back up here for me just a little bit, not much. We're entertaining this one here. HCAI still doing its thing as well. Just trying to get through it. Just trying to get through it. Got through that 44 cents, smacked 45 and coming back down. If it can't hold the blue line, she'll probably come on back down to about 37 cents. Let's see where we going here. So, I mean, again, we're going to go back to stocks like TPET. We're going to go stocks BATL, that kind of stuff. And I told you guys at the beginning of March, the oil stocks, they're the ones that are going to be moving with all the BS that's going on. Had my buy at 578 and it didn't hit it. Ah. Hmm. So it looks to me as if I am a little bit of a jinx today. I'm a little bit of a jinxie. ARTL's starting to move as well. ARTL. There she goes. There are your targets. So you got 850. It's at 826 right now. Can it get 921? Come on, baby. Let's go. All right, guys. It is 4:54 here. And as you all know, when it hits that 5 o'clock, I'm gonna be going over to my Discord. That's where I'm going. ARTL pushing 834, 836. So I'm going to be going over there. If you don't have Discord access, it's because you don't have full access on my website. That's why. That's what it is. That's what it's going to be. Only time that I'll stay on longer than I say I'm gonna on TikTok is if I oversleep and come on at like frickin' 4:45, like yesterday. Yeah, yesterday just wasn't a good day for me. Woke up late, didn't really feel great. Um, yeah, lots of stuff at Uncle's house, which sucked. But hey, when you have 6 indoor cats, you can understand. So we'll see if ARTL can hit 921. Let's see if it does it. Then we're gonna be watching some other things here. We're watching ARTL, KPRX, right over here. Sky Q, how's it treating me? Oh boy. It decided to completely turn around. See if it bounces off this green line here. It's got a nice little hammer candle there. Little downtrend there, little hammer candle there. Need a green candle and another green candle, and let's see if it can go higher. Higher, baby. Get higher. So we're gonna go for 47. So 747, which it won't let me put a line there because spread it out some more. Spread it, baby. There we go. All right, we'll put that there, and we'll see what it does. We'll see what it does today after market opens. I'm not going to fuss with it too much. It can do what it wants. 20 shares isn't going to kill me. If it drops down all the way to nothing, I lose 140 bucks. Okay, that's fine. You know, I'm okay with it. I've gotten to the point where like 100 bucks isn't going to piss me off. 300 will, but 100 bucks ain't going to do it. And I'm not going to revenge trade. As you guys have noticed, I've been keeping to my standard 100, maybe 140 on this one. An entry. MACD's not looking so good on this one, and we did break volume weighted average price. We broke the green line, and now we're back down to the blue line. That blue line breaks. It's probably going to come back down to 577. We'll see if it can hold. Keep losses to a minimum. Yep, that's right. Gap and abort. All right, guys, 458. How's HCAI doing? Still stuck below that 44 cents. It's a pretty good Tuesday. It's a pretty good Tuesday. The way the market's been moving today, it's not bad. Not bad at all, I think. Ad dude, told you so. What did you tell me so? On what? On which one? Huh? Let's put Sky Q over here. Lonely. Oh, you told me Sky Q? See, yeah, dude, it's funny that you say that because I told you too. If you're getting the watch list, you would have gotten the watch list around 480 yesterday. Yep. Just saying. Just saying. No, I remember talking about that with you. All right, 1 minute left, and then I'm gonna go swing my ass over to the Discord, and we'll go from there. Am I feeling battle? I mean, anything oil related, I'm feeling, definitely feeling. All right, guys. Hope you all have a great day. We hit 1.1 thousand likes in an hour, which means I don't have to do a live tomorrow. So, no live on TikTok for tomorrow. We got 1,100 likes. So, is what it is. I'm gonna see you guys in a minute. Peace. Enjoy your day. All right, YouTube. Thank you guys for hanging out. And I'm going to go ahead and go into the Discord now. And yeah, see you guys in a short minute. Peace.